Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. In the past, WhatsApp Business Platform mainly focused on one-to-one customer communication, but in many real business scenarios, a customer request often requires sales, support, technical teams, or partners to work together. So can businesses create dedicated WhatsApp groups for collaboration around customers, orders, or projects? The answer is yes. WhatsApp Groups API is a group management capability provided by Meta for WhatsApp Business Platform. Businesses can create groups, generate invitation links, and connect group conversations with their business systems. It is not just about creating a chat group, but turning WhatsApp groups into part of a structured business workflow. With Groups API, businesses can automatically create groups based on orders, projects, or service scenarios. After users join through invitation links, businesses can send and receive messages and track group member updates. This transforms group chats from manually managed conversations into connected business workflows. More importantly, it connects customers, internal teams, and business workflows around the same customer, order, or project. The first scenario is high-value sales and project collaboration. In industries like real estate, enterprise software, automotive, or customized services, multiple people are often involved in one deal. Businesses can create dedicated WhatsApp groups connecting customers, sales representatives, technical experts, and project managers to improve collaboration. The second scenario is travel and local services. After a booking is completed, businesses can create dedicated service groups to share itineraries, meeting details, guide information, and updates. Instead of sending separate messages, everyone can receive the same information in one place. The third scenario is after sales and technical support. When a problem requires customers, support agents, and engineers to collaborate, businesses can create temporary service groups. Customers do not need to repeat information, and teams can resolve issues faster. In cross-border trade, manufacturing, or customized orders, one project may involve sales, design, production, and logistics teams. Businesses can create order collaboration groups to share product details, production updates, and delivery status. So what is the difference between regular WhatsApp groups and Groups API? Regular groups rely more on manual creation and management, while Groups API can be triggered by business systems and connected with customer, order, and CRM data. Businesses can understand why a group was created, who it serves, and how to manage it. However, Groups API is not designed for large marketing communities. It is currently more suitable for small-scale, high-value collaboration scenarios. According to Meta's current rules, each group supports up to 8 participants and is only available to businesses with an official business account. Businesses also cannot directly add users to groups. Users need to join through invitation links. Therefore, Groups API is better suited for project services, customer delivery, after-sales support, and dedicated customer engagement, rather than large communities or marketing campaigns. Besides feature limitations, businesses should also understand the pricing model. Groups API follows the WhatsApp Cloud API message pricing logic, but group messages are charged based on the number of users who receive the message. For example, if a group has 5 participants, one message sent to the group will be counted based on those 5 recipients. Therefore, businesses should carefully plan group size and message frequency based on business value. The value of WhatsApp Groups API is not simply creating more chat groups. It brings multi-user collaboration into business workflows. From sales projects to travel services and customer support, businesses can create more efficient and manageable collaboration experiences with WhatsApp. Although Groups API currently has participant and account limitations, it provides a new way for businesses to manage high-value collaboration scenarios on WhatsApp. If you want to know whether WhatsApp Groups API fits your business needs, contact YCloud and explore more WhatsApp Business Platform solutions.